Hello children, good morning. Hope you are doing well in the vacation and welcome back in my class. As you can see that today we will discuss about in your screen. As you can see that the topic of our today's class is Macavity, the mystery cat. Before we start our chapter, let me tell you something that this is a fictional poem. This is a fictional poem or story written by the T.S. Eliot. He was very famous writer, essayist, critical, and playwright and editor and etc. etc. He was a famous person in English work. And mostly his work for the young and aged person, but a book, a particular one book is there that is for only young one means little ones who are little in age, like this one, Macavity the Mystery Cat. So this is a story about a cat which is very mystery. Mystery means that is unknown to everyone. Means nobody known about that. In this, as you can see that this cat is not good. It's very bad in nature, and we can say that it make crimes and disappeared from the crime scene. Okay, so this cat is about that it make crime and disappeared from not caught by police. So as we can take an example of a movie, Hindi movie, which is very famous, in that Dawn movie. In that dialogue is there famous, Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. So like that, it's a Macavity that also made crime and disappeared from the crime scene. So we can say that Macavity को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. So let us read this poem. So before we start, let me tell you something about the author, T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is very famous. Full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was born on 26 September 1888. 26 September 1888 in Missouri, US. He was born in US. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and an editor also. He moves to London, to England in 1914, where he settled his work, and he got married also. He won Nobel Prize and one more prize, Order of Merit, in 1948. So as you can see that Nobel Prize is the highest prize in the world. So he got the Nobel Prize in 1948, and he died in 4th January and the age of 76 in London. Okay, so this is the introduction of poet. Now poetry. First we will read, then we will explain. Macavity is a mystery cat he called the Hidden Paw, for he has the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity not there. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He break the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fake stare, a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. By T.S. Eliot. So that's the reading, model reading. Now we will see what is a real meaning of that. So as you know that mystery, McCavity's mystery cat. McCavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. McCavity is a mystery cat. Mystery means unknown, means nobody know about him. So McCavity is a mystery cat, unknown cat, and he called the hidden paw. It's a nickname. Hidden paw is the nickname for McCavity. Hidden paw. Paw means, as you know, that the paw of cat, dog. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. For he is a mystery, and its a nickname is hidden paw. He is the master criminal. Criminal means who occurs the crime or who does the crime. That person is called criminal. And who can defy the law. Defy means to disobey. Law law is there to prevent any crime. So that he is a criminal, master criminal, and that person or that McCavity disobey every law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. He is the bafflement. Underline this one. Bafflement. Bafflement means confusion. He is the great confusion of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the chief place for England police. And the flying squad that made for a team, that there is a team that made for catching this criminal. And so the flying squad also despair means sadness. Despair, underline this one. Despair means sadness. So that is the very sad news for flying squad, for the team, that whole team cannot catch that criminal who disobey every law. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So whenever they reach at the crime scene, the McCavity disappeared from there. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. So there is no one like McCavity. Nobody is there like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He break the law of gravity. Now he has broken every human law made by the humans for obeying. He broke everything, and he break the law of gravity. You know that law of gravity, we remains on the earth surface, that is we cannot fly. That is the law of gravity. So he breaks also the law of gravity because of its jump very high. As you can see the next line, his powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. His power of levitation, underline this one, under levitation. Levitation means that power, we can stay in the air without any support. Sometimes you can see in the movies or somewhere that stay in the air without any support. So that is the levitation. So his powers of levitation with staying in the air would make a fakir stare. Fakir means we can we can call sadhu baba or like that. The fakir. Stare means continuously look something, staring. So the power of his levitation, any sadhu babas or can starting to in the surprise that how can it be possible. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So that's the power that whenever you reach every or any crime scene, McCavity will be not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. Underline this one, seek and basement. Seek means search, and basement, as you know, that underground area. So you can search him in the underground area, you can search in air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. But I must tell you that McCavity will be not there. Definitely will not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Underline this one, ginger cat. What is the ginger means? That thing we pour in the tea or coffee in the winter, ginger. So McCavity is like the color of the McCavity body is like ginger. So that's why it's a ginger cat. Ginger cat means the color of that cat is ginger. He is very tall and very thin, not fat, very thin, not fat, very thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. And you would know if you saw him. If you saw him, then I am sure you will recognize him, because his eyes are very sunken in. Underline this one, sunken in. Sunken in means very deep inside. Deep means eyes are very deep inside that. And sunken is made from, it's the third form of sink. Sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His brow means, you know, that eyebrow is deeply lined. As you can see in every animal or cat, there is lines like that. So brows are like that. Whenever any person is thinking very deeply, then the lines will occur on the forehead. So his brow is deeply lined with thought, that he is always thinking and thinking. And his head is highly doomed. Doomed is a shape. So his head is likely is a shape. His coat is dusty from neglect. Underline this one, dusty and neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Underline whiskers. His coat, the coat he wear is dusty. Dusty means very dirty, and neglect. Neglect means ignoring. His coat is very dirty from ignoring, and his whiskers. What is whiskers? Whiskers are those hairs which occur on the cheeks near the nose of animals, and as you can see on the dog, here near nose, like that. Hairs होते हैं ना यहाँ पर nose पर, उनको कहते हैं whiskers. So whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head side to side, sways like this, side to side, sways with movements like a snake. As you can see that snake, when snake sit like this, then he make movements like this. So his sways means move. Sways means move. Underline sways. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And when you think that he is sleeping, that is not right. That is not correct. He is always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. So McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Underline fiend. Fiend means evil. Or sorry, devil. Fiend means devil. And feline. Feline means special family that related to cats. A species of cats. All types of cats are feline. And monster of depravity. Depravity means corruption, of moral corruption or immorality, like. So he is a devil in its species or in its family, and a monster who does not have any moral value. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. Underline by street. By street means in the street or the nearby street, and in the square. Square means in the open area. So you can meet him in the near street, any street, and you can see him in the open area also. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. But any crime is discovered nearby you, then I am sure you will not find any Macavities there. So that's our chapter. Hope you enjoy it. Do the question answer and the vocabulary, those words which are underlined. See you next.